Hello, everybody. It's me again, Rich Andre, and today we're going to be talking about some basic trigonometry. Okay, so for today's trigonometry topic, we're going to be talking about sines, cosines, and tangents. So let's get started. Okay, suppose we have suppose we have a right triangle. Okay, suppose we have a right triangle. And the angle for this is going to be 90 degrees. Exactly 90 degrees. Now the sides here, as you all may know, is going to be adjacent. This side of the triangle is going to be the opposite side. This side is the adjacent side. This side is going to be the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse of the triangle. So you need to remember this before we start solving any problems relating sines, cosines, and tangents. So let's first start with sine problems. Okay, I can just screenshot this. So let's first start with a cosines problem. So a right triangle has an opposite side of 6 centimeters. Okay. So this is going to let's suppose you have a right triangle like this. It says the opposite side is measured at 6 centimeters, while the hypotenuse is 10 centimeters. Now we're trying to find we're trying to find the hypotenuse. Okay. So in order to find the hypotenuse, just have to use okay. Let's first try to find the uh adjacent side. Okay. So in order to find the adjacent side, you basically just have to divide the two numbers. Okay. So we have to use the acronym called SOHCAHTOA. This is a great way in order for us to remember what to do in order to find missing values like this or sine theta in this problem. So since we're trying to find sine theta, you have to use this formula, which basically just means sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So I have to divide 6, which is the opposite, so the 10 centimeters, the hypotenuse. So the adjacent side will be 6 over 10. What is 6 over 10? It's going to be 0.6. So then our answer for this is going to be 0.6 centimeters. So sine theta is equal to 0.6 centimeters. Let's check our answer if it's correct. Yes, that's correct. ChatGPT just prefers to have fractions and simplified fractions, but I'm going to use these. A right triangle has an opposite side of 9 meters and the hypotenuse. So we're still trying to find sine here. So it's the same procedure. Opposite over hypotenuse. So that's 9 divided by 15. And that still equates to 0.6 meters. Now we're trying to find sine. Opposite sides 12 feet and hypotenuse is 30 feet. So you just have to go divide 13, 12 by 13. Okay. So since it's going to be a long number, we can just go like this, 12 over 13. The answer is still going to be correct. Yeah. So 8 over 17. This is 8 over 17. 8 over 17. This is going to be 29. 20 over 29. Inches. Feet. Pretty easy, right? So now let's go to cosines. So we have a right triangle has an adjacent side, hypotenuse, adjacent side of 4 centimeters and a hypotenuse of 5 centimeters. Now we're trying to find cos theta, cosine theta. So you have to use CAH. That's going to equal to cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So the answer is going to be 4 over 5. It's going to be 5 over 13. It's going to be 15 over 17. 24 over 25. And 21 over 29. Simple. It's very simple. Now we're going to tangents. All you have to do is divide them, then get the simplest form if possible. So TOA is just equal to tangent equals opposite over adjacent side. So that's going to be tangent theta. So we have 3 centimeters and adjacent side of 4 centimeters. It's going to be 3 over 4 centimeters. And that's going to be 5 over 12 centimeters, 12 meters, 8 over 15 feet, 7 over 24 inches, and 20 over 21 centimeters. So that's going to be it for basic trigonometry. We now have an idea, basic idea of sines, cosines, and tangents. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.